In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change clothes in Cryosphere. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can actually change the clothes that you wear in Cryosphere, primarily the hoodie. So you might have seen gameplay videos where the main character is wearing a different hoodie and so on. In order to access these different outfits and accessories, you have to beat the game once. So the main thing is that you have to beat the game before you have access to these unlockables or collectibles. After you have beaten the game once, you will find the option unlockables on the home screen where you can check which unlockables you have access to, and also you will have access to a secret door in the start of the game, and in there you will be able to access a wardrobe. So this is what the unlockables menu look like. You will see different outfits and hoodies that you have unlocked here. For example, this gas mask as an accessory. So after you have finished the game, waited through the credits, you will have all of the unlockables on the home screen, and now on your second playthrough, after you go through the start, so on the very first part of the game, you go through the initial sequence, and you will find this door to your left. So all that you have to do is go towards this door and interact with it. Inside, there is going to be a wooden door, so sort of a wardrobe, and now you can change your hoodie. So all of the hoodies that you have unlocked from the unlockables menu will be available here, and you can choose them. You will notice that there are a lot of things to unlock, so I highly recommend that you look up a guide if you would like to know how to unlock all of them. Once you have selected them, you will see them reflected on the main character here, and then you can start your second playthrough with the different outfits. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.